people. Today we're gonna make Nutella.
Nutella or Rawtella?
Or Rawtella.
We're gonna make Rawtella, right?
Last year, our Oma brought us Nutella.
Yeah, and actually I was quite touched because I grew up in East Germany and I remember Nutella being like the super duper special treat. But of course, 40 years later, I like to veganize everything and put less sugar. So, Jamesy, let's start. Let's put 1 cup of very fine grind hazelnuts. Hazelnuts first. Hazelnuts.
That's hazelnuts and chocolate.
No, that's not chocolate. That is called carob powder, and the carob powder is naturally a little bit sweeter than cacao powder.
Chocolate.
Yes. Okay. Let's put that in. Yeah.
And then
And then we're gonna add a little bit of pink salt.
Now with syrup.
And not just yet. And then we go. Okay. And pulse. And pulse. Okay. And then stop.
We put some maple syrup.
And then how many tablespoons of maple syrup do we have?
Do I put this in?
2. Yeah.
What do I put in? Coconut.
This later. No.
What do I put?
Coconut oil.
Coconut
2.
oil.
Okay, so 2. Okay, put on. No waste. David, just let it sit, Nancy. Just let it sit.
So this is how it looks when
That's
you
what it looks
finish.
Okay, now Mama. This is Mama's turn. Mama is gonna put just a little bit coconut milk.
Oh, coconut.
Just a little schwupps.
So what happens if this? Oh, Chloe, this is spilling. So what do we do with this? Shall we show it closer?
Yeah, you can try. And we do a little bit more. So I think that's about a 1/4 cup.
Wow. It's really big now. Should we stop and see?
Yep. Let's stop and see. It's still dripping. Okay, more. Yay!
We need to try.
Okay.
Oh my god, the thing is hungry.
Okay. Oh wow, that looks yum. Okay,
Let's
still
move
some-
inside.
Yeah. Okay, let's scrape off the
Can I
sides.
do the
Yeah.
scraping?
Yeah. You want to do the scraping? You have to come over here. Okay. Yeah.
Oh. Can I?
Yeah, you can try.
So tight.
Yeah, you need muscles for this. You need muscles for this.
But I have muscles.
Yeah? Show me.
Yeah.
Okay, how about we taste it? Shall we taste?
Yep. I have mine. And try. I'm gonna try how different it can Oh my god.
Yeah. Keep your muscles
Let
secret.
me eat this.
Tomorrow morning for
Breakfast.
breakfast. Yes. Okay, that is it. That's our Rawtella. Super easy to make, and kids have fun making it. So
And it's yummy to eat.
and it's super yummy to eat. Just remember, please grind your hazelnuts as super fine as you can, because just in a food processor won't happening. It's too rough and it doesn't taste as delicious. Okay, thank you very much for watching.
Thank you.
There we go. See you soon.
See you soon. Bye bye.